Hi, this is Nissim. Today I want to show you how to find nodes if you have lots of nodes on your workflow, how to find those that you cannot find because whatever, you got a workflow from someone and you got lost inside it. You have here on the side the nodes map. Here you can see every node that exists, so you can actually scan them and find them. Also, you can double click and it will focus on the correct node. In addition, when you have a node that is, let's say this one will be muted, it won't work, and this one going to be bypassed, okay? And you will click here, you will see that those nodes are one, it's bypassed, which is the same color here, and one is disabled, which is the same color here. Now, there is a problem here. When you click on one of them, and if you will click again, it's only bypassed, okay? You cannot mute from that one. If you want to mute, you need to come here and do Control M, and then it's going to be muted or bypassed. But you can see that you don't have this update. There is a small bug in the ComfyUI, so you won't have an update here. So you just close it and open it, and it's going to be update. So the update going from here to the UI, but not the vice versa, okay? That's it. If you like it, please subscribe. Help me to spread the word. Have a great day. Bye.